Chieng. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto okwayo oganda jokenya mondo omiye thuolo mar chopo singo manomiyo oganda jokenya e kinde kampen mage ka lek ma owacho ni pod en godo gi yie ni biro chopo kare, ka bende olero ni ong'eyo gimotimo kendo ni jokenya kik bed maluor e yo moro amora. Nowuoyo e kinde mane otelo e nyasi mar keto ayanga ohand omenda mar Talanta Sports City Stadium, kama owache ni singogo geto mar keto ngima jokenya malo ahinya to kokalo kuom kitelo mageto loko ngima jokenya.
Made to Kenyans are being realized one by one, day by day, pledge by pledge. And I remain committed to fulfilling every single one of them. Our economy is stabilizing and growing. Today, Kenya is ranked the 6th largest economy in Africa, up from the 8th 2 years ago. Inflation has dropped from 9.6 in 2022 to 3.8 today. The exchange rate has stabilized at Kenya shillings 129 to the dollar for more than a year, down from Kenya shillings 165. And foreign exchange reserves have climbed to $11.8 billion from $6.5 billion. Food production is improving. Maize output, for example, has grown by 50%. And farmer earnings for tea, coffee, and milk have also increased significantly. The affordable housing program is now active in all 47 counties, employing 320,000 Kenyans. And that number is expected to double in a few months. While our labor mobility program has placed 400,000 Kenyans in jobs abroad, Climate Works is onboarding 120,000 workers, and our ICT digital jobs framework has 180,000 people working and monetizing their talent. In the health sector, 110,000 community health promoters are assigned to visit our homes, while more than 25 million Kenyans are enlisted with SHA, bringing us closer to universal health coverage and ensuring that access to quality health is not the privilege of a few, but a constitutional right for all.